I'm Chef Ricky Moore, and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato pie that's healthy for everyone. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add margarine to the bowl. We're going to add sugar, add a little salt, and traditionally in sweet potato pie, there's more than one yolk added. And I'm just going to cut back and add one yolk. Okay, we're going to add lemon juice, lemon zest, and a little cinnamon. Because cinnamon is a fan of sweet potatoes and they work so well together. So at this point I'm going to mix everything together. Now we're going to add the sweet potatoes. Okay, sweet potatoes are is that like rock star potato these days, you know, beta carotene, a lot of nutrients. We're going to combine and mix. We're going to add another ingredient that will cut down on all the calories and the fat. The fat-free evaporated milk. Okay, now you have a nice smooth mixture or batter. Now we're going to set this aside for a moment and we're going to whip some egg whites. Now, egg whites are going to aid in the texture of the pie. It's going to make it light and airy and also create volume. And we want to achieve stiff peaks. So we want to turn it on high. Now as you see it foaming, it's going to start to get a white opaque color. And we're good. Bring our sweet potato mixture back. I'm going to add half of the egg whites into the mixture and fold them in. We're going to mix everything together. That's all combined. Okay? You rotate the bowl and then you fold over. Rotate and fold. Rotate and fold. At this point, we're going to add the rest of the egg whites. Okay, and then we're heading on to the end stretch here. We're going to add it to our pie crust. Okay, you want to get it just about 1/4 of an inch below the rim of the crust. All right, now to make sure that everything is level, and we're going to put it in the oven at a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Put a fork or knife inside the pie, it comes out clean. You can eat some now or put it in the fridge and enjoy it tomorrow.